Thanks for downloading the free power indicator that we've provided. You're going to love it because it gives you the right pair to trade at the right time. I found it very useful, and so have many others. My name's Casey Stubbs. I'm from Winner's Edge Trading. And you see all these monitors here. You might think that I'm a trading guru, but actually I'm not. I'm just like you. A few short years ago I was in construction, and then I lost my job to a poor economy. And I didn't know how to make ends meet and provide for my family. Well, I started trading, and then when I started, I was doing terrible at it until I found a few tricks that I have now implemented to increase my profits over time. And, I've also learned from expert and master traders that have taught me many other things. So, people began asking me, and I thought, what? I've just got to help other people because so many people help me. So I've included this free power indicator, also a free trader's profile. In addition to that, I've come up with a solution to your trading problems that will be able to get you on the right track. And it's a two-part problem, and it involves having professionals automatically trade your account in a mirror trading system. The trades that they take will automatically go into your account, and it's not a managed account. You still control your account. I'll give you more details on that later. With the tools that we've come up with, we can make any trader trade successfully. So that's why you're going to want to pay attention in the next couple days with all the tools and videos that we share with you, because anybody can trade with the material that we've prepared. So you're going to want to take notice. If you have any questions, please send them at the end of the video. Thank you. I'm available to reach for comment at CaseyStubbs@winnersedgetrading.com, or you can check out my website to see all the education and information I bring, and you can follow me on Twitter for live updates. I'm going to go ahead and get started with talking about the power indicator. So the first thing I want to go ahead and ask is, what is the power indicator? The power indicator is a chart that is developed that tells traders exactly what the strongest and weakest currency pair based on a specific period of time using a complicated formula. Why use the power indicator? Well, it saves a trader a lot of time in identifying the right pair to trade. It will help boost their profits, and it will instantly identify current trends and potential trade opportunities. It's a very useful tool, and I'm going to show you how to use it in a second. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and give you some advanced information about this indicator, so just bear with me for a minute. We're going to get to the demonstration in a minute. First of all, it identifies the relative strength of the major currencies based on the daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute time frames. This relative currency strength is determined based on a highly developed formula that weights the historical relationships that exist between the various currencies. These relative currency strengths are then used to identify the top 5 currency pairs that are showing the highest potential for trading. The one on the left shows the current strength or weakness of each of the main currencies based on the detailed assessment formula we have developed. The one on the right shows the top 5 pairs from all the combinations of pairs that involve the major currencies that have been identified as potential for trading. This tool is not intended to be a complete solution for identifying trades. However, it is valuable as a way of identifying currency movements and determining potential trades and further analysis. Used the right way, it will save you a lot of time and should work as a great addition to your current trade assessment processes. You'll find the tool very quick and easy to use, but let me give you a quick example of how to use the tool in a practical situation. Okay, so here we have the Forex power meter, and right here it's on the day tab, and to go to the other time frames you just click 4-hour, click 1-hour, or 15-minute to get the weightings on different time frames. So right now we can look, and we have the strongest pair in the currency is the Australian dollar, and you can see that we have the weakest. So what you'll want to do is pair up the strongest with the weakest, and we've made that easy by seeing the top 5 pairs. And in here you can see the yen is very weak, so all the pairs are versus the yen. So right now I'm going to look, and I can see the Australian yen is possibly the most prominent trending pair right now. So then once I determine that, I can go ahead and go to the chart, and using my current trading strategy, I can find entries based on this meter. So if you have a current strategy, you can go ahead and use that, but this will help you to find the right pairs to trade. So now let me go ahead and show you how I find a trade using my current strategy. Okay, so we have the Australian dollar, US yen, and you can see the power indicator was right. It identified a strong trend. So now that I find the trend, I'm going to go ahead and want to wait for pullbacks based on this trend and then enter when it is moving back up. So for example, I would wait for a pullback, and you can see the price right here starting to drop down. Okay, we have, first of all, you can see there's a strong uptrend. Okay, and then now we have a slight pullback right here. And then there we get a bullish candle that tells me that the price is ready to move again. So there would be the entry on that candle right there. I would put a stop loss below that. I would use proper money management, as that's very important in trading. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to it. So next video, we're coming out with another great tool called the Trader's Profile. It's an analysis of where you're at as a trader and how you can use this profile to determine your particular strengths and weaknesses as a trader. It's valued on a similar site for $100, and we're going to give it to you for free. It's critical to developing as a trader so that you know your strengths and weaknesses and who you are. It will only take a few minutes, and this profile could elevate your trading to the next level, and it's going to be delivered to you for free. So I recommend that you check it out in a couple days in another video. Okay, also we're introducing a new program that's coming out. It's a mentoring service that has everything you could possibly need, and I'm going to explain more of that in the near future. It's going to include a large range of training tools and services, including a revolutionary new auto trading program and our profitable signal service. I'll explain more about this in the near future, but you can see from the table below that our signals are showing nearly an 80% return on investment. And that is an incredible achievement by any standard, and we just started late last year. So you're going to want to find out more about this as we go along in the next few days. Alright, so please share by retweeting or sharing on Facebook. The access to this powerful tool will be limited to those that sign up in the near future. Please tell your friends about this because they're going to want to find out about this tool. So please leave your comments with questions, anything that you might need. Please share on possible improvements you think we could make to this tool. Any questions you have about our upcoming release, any trading questions, anything or at all, I'll be answering all of the questions, and I highly covet your feedback. It is what helps us make our service great, because we develop this for traders, and we can only know what you want by giving us feedback. So please share this and give us feedback. And thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon, and I know that this is going to be a great tool that will help you in your trading. Thank you.